beautiful people, this is your girl Motherland Goddess and I am back, this time with an unboxing video from one of my favorite sellers that are trending on social media and almost everywhere around the world, honestly. It's called House of CB. So you guys, let's get into it. So it comes with all these little papers on there and they give instructions how you should better take care of your product and handle it, right? And I'm so impressed by this. And let's not forget the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful. I felt like I got a gift from somewhere. Never mind that I paid for it, but I just love the packaging, and I think packaging is key. And they nailed that. House of CB nailed that. So let's get into it. So I purchased a white dress. I usually don't go for white because when I have my makeup on and I tend to touch my face and I touch my dress, you gotta be careful with this one. You get stains and everything. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but once I wear it, I'll definitely be showing you guys. The dress is called Loretta. It's off the shoulders and it's a new arrival. I'm so obsessed with it. When I saw it, I was like, must have. And it is $149 US, you guys. It's a little pricey and I tried to find coupons and I had no luck. Maybe it's because it's a new arrival. I am a medium and I do have a booty, but you know, so I will basically be adding like some type of bump shot underneath so that when I bend over, my booty doesn't show. And the dress has beautiful pockets, you guys. It's beautiful quality. It's everything you want in a dress. Okay, so remember to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Live well, laugh often, and love more.